Hello there, I hope you're doing great, and today in this video I'll be answering some really important questions, which would be: what is a face cam, how to add your face to one corner of your video while recording, how to turn on or off the webcam while recording your screen, and lastly, how to upload a facecam video to YouTube. I'll be answering all of the above questions, so make sure you watch the video until the end, or else if you're really busy, then don't worry, I'll be adding the timestamps in the video description for your help. Now without any more further delays, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first question is, what is facecam? A facecam is a live recording of a face in an online video or any sort of video as such. Facecam is generally used by many of the streamers while they're streaming in major platforms like YouTube, Twitch, or in Facebook. Facecam can also be used to give reaction to any video, or it can also be used while recording a tutorial video. And guys, do you know that Bandicam supports Facecam feature as well, which is just great. Now let me answer this second question, which is how to add your face to one corner of your video while recording in Bandicam. Well, now in order to do this, open Bandicam, then go to Add Webcam Overlay option and click on it. After that, make sure Add Webcam Overlay to Output Video File is selected. Now under Settings, make sure your webcam is selected. You can also tweak the quality of the webcam by clicking on the Settings button beside the webcam that you have selected. After the necessary adjustment, click on OK. After that, if you want to check if the facecam is working properly or not, then click on this black box. Once clicking on it, Bandicam will show you how your facecam would look like in the actual recording. You can also play with the position of the facecam and select the one you like. And click on OK. There are options like Preview Webcam on Screen, which you can enable, but I won't suggest you to do it right now because Facecam might come in the way with what you're recording. And finally, click on OK to save all the settings. You can use Facecam while recording your screen as well as while you're recording your gameplay. Now let's take a look at the video that we have just recorded. Alright, so that's how you add your face to your recording. Let's move to the third question, which is how to turn on or off the webcam while recording your screen. Now to do this, open Bandicam and click on Add Webcam Overlay. After that, make sure you enable Save Webcam Video as separate file. Along with that, also enable Preview Webcam on Screen and enable Preview Toggle Hotkey. And finally, click on OK. Now if you click on the Start Recording button, you can see your facecam along with your screen. Now to turn off the facecam from the video, just press the Tab button on your keyboard and your face will get disappeared. If you press the Tab key again, you'll get your facecam back again. Now let's check the final video. Well, in this way you can turn on or off your webcam while you're recording your screen. Now let's answer the final question, which is how to upload a facecam video to YouTube. But before uploading to YouTube, let's learn how to record facecam video. Open up your Bandicam software and click on the webcam or HDMI icon. Select your webcam and click on OK. To start recording, click on the red record button or press the F12 button on your keyboard. After recording is done, now let's upload the video to our YouTube. Now to do this, click on the home button on Bandicam, which is right here, and select the video which you want to upload to YouTube. After selecting the video file, click on the upload button and select upload to YouTube. After that, type in your title, description, and then click on the upload button. And that's it. If this video was helpful, then please do consider liking this video as well as subscribing to our channel for more useful content like this one. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.